in this video, I'll show you how to hide the WordPress login page. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, here's my WordPress login page. So I have in here my link, and as you can see right here, I have this wp-login.php. So we need to actually change this. In order to do that, let's head over right here to our dashboard. Then scroll down until you can see the option for plugins. Click on this add new plugin that you can see right here. And then once you have done that, this will actually lead you to the plugin marketplace of WordPress. Once you're in there, just click on this search icon right here. And then just search in here for WPS hide login. Once you have searched for that, you should be able to see some search results that actually hides for that. So you can see this hide WP admin login. So what we can do is we can click on this one. And as you can see, it enables you to change WordPress wp-login.php that we have here earlier into any URL that you want. So click on this install and activate. And then once you have done that, this will install this particular login or plugin to our actual WordPress. So when you search on your installed login, as you can see, here's hide WP admin login. So what we can do is we can just head over and click on the settings. And then this will direct us to our general settings right here. As you can see, it's on a general page right here, and we just need to head over right here. As you can see, here's our site title and all of these things right here. But what you can do is you can just scroll down and you can see this hide WP admin login. So you can just change whatever login URL you want. So for example, you can put in here login, or you can change it into login here, or anything that you want it to be. So for example, let's just head over and then change it to login, and then click on the save changes. And then once you have done that, as you can see, it will save the changes to our actual store. And let's head over right here again to our login, and let's try to refresh it. Now, as you can see, once we have refreshed it, this page is not found. However, if we change this WP right here into just login, as you can see, this will load. And then in just a few seconds, we should be able to see in here this right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. We'll try our best to answer. Thanks.